I finally got the 19XX load up, but it is so slow and it's like crappy. So for some reason, 19XX will not load up in Arcade1up. Same thing with the templates. There's something in their video or something that is not allowing it to run. It's the first game I just loaded, and it's like running like crap. Okay, it's not even doing the video when the game starts. So I'm just gonna turn it off and turn it back on. Now there's a game that somebody want me to test, which is Nintendo 64 Killer Instant. So I'm gonna try that real quick to see how it goes, and I'll let you know once it boot up. Yeah, I'm tempting to buy another counter cat because we could put more stuff on it, and the counter cat 2-player is nice. You have a bigger table. Excuse me. You got bigger table, and that you could actually customize the controller and add like trackball spinner. I'm thinking about putting a spinner here and put a trackball right here in the middle, which I did that with the bigger system. And you could also add vertical arcade here, and this actually this emulator is pretty good. Let's go ahead and go to let me see, we have Nintendo 64 over here, because somebody asked me, will Nintendo 64, there you go, with the Killer Instant play over here, which is a good question because I did not try it. So let's start with a K. There you go, Killer Instant Go. Let's go ahead and try it, see how it play, see if it load up okay or not. I totally forgot about the Nintendo 64 that have one too. It's strange, it's not a lot of people do the Nintendo 64 Killer Instant because I think most people are more into the arcade version one. Now they do have I think Super Nintendo version, the Killer Instant 1. So far so good. It load up pretty well. I'm impressed. Graphics is good. The sound is just a little bit off, but somehow the Arcade1up sound have some issue. I wonder if we could like totally change the video call out. Okay, somehow it just frees up. Okay, so let's insert a coin, press start. Yeah, it doesn't look like this game will load. Will play on Arcade1up. Maybe that's why Arcade1up have not released any Nintendo game out, Nintendo 64 game out. Mostly is arcade game because those are easy to emulate, and yeah, mostly arcade, the old game type. But most of the more 3D type of game, I think a lot of emulator handheld system have a problem with this as well. So maybe that's why they kind of stay away from it, because they will have to bring their chips, make a better quality and stuff like that, which I don't think they could handle it. So this Nintendo 64 Killer Instant just freeze up and die. So just a quick video. Somebody asked, that's the answer. The Killer Instant just died. Let's try Super Nintendo 64. See, we have Killer Instant as well. See if that load okay. I know a lot of people are very into that game, and that game is pretty popular. So let's see if that other one load up. Now I do have in arcade I do have Jackie Chan that is more like a Mortal Kombat type of version. Two of them in the arcade built. So yes, arcade, the one I put in there have the most popular game that's in there. So you could even set it up where you could put 4 player, and all this would be 4 player game, 2 player. So there's an option there that you could turn on, so you could actually do that. So we got Dreamcast. Let's go to Super Nintendo. There you go. All right. So I haven't changed the video setup yet, so they're all the same. Yeah, you could go to each one and set it up the way you like it. So let's go find Killer Instinct. This one is a basic image, and it makes sounds when you scroll up and down. Almost there. There you go. For some reason I have 2 of them. So let's try the first one. So far so good. Yeah. So the Super NES seemed to be okay. Alright, let's go ahead and try this guy. Yeah, so if you want to play Killer Instinct, this one would be pretty good. The Super NES version. Oh yeah, this one played well. So all the buttons work. All the 6 buttons work. I don't know the move, man. I'm getting beat up like crazy. Oh, finally got something out. I'm dead. Okay, enough of that one. Game over. Alright, let's get out of this game. I don't know what's the difference between that one and the one below it. I wonder if one of them is maybe a hack version. Let's try this one, see what's the difference. I think one of them might be a little bit different. So I'll be working on per console one by one. So right now I'm working on I got all the theme downloaded for this system. So I'll be, I mean, that theme is so big, but I have all the theme that will work on Arcade1up that you could play with. But if any of them do not work, like I say, just delete the folder from the SD card, and it will default back. It will default back to the original. So let's see what this one does. Oh, the other one have a different language. This one is English. That's why I was wondering why the name is different. So one is Portuguese and one is English. So this one say player 1, player 2. While ago the other one was a different language. So that's the only thing different about it. All right. Thank you for watching. Later, man.